troubleshooting Wi-Fi and registration issues with LG front-load washing machines. If your LG front-load washing machine is not connecting to Wi-Fi or is having difficulty with product registration on the ThinQ app, there are troubleshooting steps that may help you resolve the issue easily. We'll go over them now. If the ThinQ app on your smartphone displays a phone image with a message saying check your phone's internet connection and try again, use your smartphone to access the router and check your internet connection. For example, launch a web news portal to check if the Wi-Fi connection is made. If the network connection problem persists, check your router connection status. If the ThinQ app displays a router image with a message saying incorrect password, access your router with your smartphone to check for the correct Wi-Fi password. When entering the password for product registration, click the View Password checkbox to display the hidden password. Note that lowercase or uppercase letters must be entered as such. There might be a chance that another smartphone user nearby has made the connection. Turn off your washer, then try again. When registering your washer, only one smartphone should be connected to Wi-Fi. If another smartphone is connected or has been connected before, an incorrect password pop-up will be displayed even after the correct password is entered. If the ThinQ app displays a router image with a message saying router not found, note that if there are any special symbols in the Wi-Fi network name, depending on the router type, a network connection failure may occur. Make sure that the router name consists of a combination of English letters and numbers only, with no special symbols. The same rule applies to the password. At this point, review these 4 steps and attempt to register your washer on the ThinQ app. If the product registration fails, try this next step. Use your smartphone as the hotspot to register your washer. This is known as mobile tethering and will require 2 smartphones. To do this, use one smartphone to activate the hotspot to operate like a router, with mobile data allowance required. Then use another smartphone to open the ThinQ app, select hotspot instead of your home router, and attempt to register your washer. If the product registration works, attempt to re-register your washer via your home router. If registration works only via hotspot and not with your home router, this last step should resolve the issue. Reset your router or replace it with a new router to register your washer. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.